Hello everyone. How is everybody doing? This is another live stream from me. We are gonna do some fun stuff in this one. We are gonna build a plugin with AI, my first one. Actually, I have already started a little bit in ChatGPT, but let's wait for a little bit more people to come in. I didn't actually promote this live stream at all. I just literally just tweeted. I didn't share anything because I'm not sure how this is going to end. To be really honest with you. So this is not a tutorial, don't expect a very structured tutorial. That's what these lives are about. Just me chilling, making something, building something. We're doing this together. And we have some people already in the stream. Hello, someone from Greece. Nostalgia. 85. That's probably his birthday. He's probably from the year 85, isn't it? The 80s pretty cool. Okay. Hello from Pakistan. Ushman Ali. Hey, how are you? Has any one of you already coded a plugin with AI? We have Nick from Denmark. Welcome, Nick. I hope you're doing good. Barbados. Wait, where is that? Where is that? Barbados. Wait. Barbados. Where is that? It's an island. Christchurch. Wait, where is that? It's a small island. Oh, oh wow! It's close to the to all the small islands there. Wow, that must be nice weather there. Let's see who else is in the stream. We got Hugo from France, Mehmet from Turkey, in the Caribbean. Yeah, I just checked it. Really cool. Mark from Peru. I'm from Indonesia. How do you pronounce that? Nijijuk. Hey, so able to glad you to join you today. Greetings from Sweden. Yeah, Evie. I don't know what your first name is, but welcome to the stream. Are you going to WordCamp Europe in Basel? No, unfortunately not. I just arrived in Bali like a few weeks ago, and I didn't want to travel the whole world again. You know, I'm now here. I'm having this nice place. I mean, look at this room, guys. I love this house. It's very nice. So I want to stay here for a little while, even though normally I always go to WordCamp Europe. It's actually, I think, the most fun WordCamp of them all. We got Me, Myself and I from the UK. Hey, he was here the last time as well. I remember that. And Abdel Lauhat from Morocco and Roberto from Italy. Welcome, guys. We're gonna do some fun stuff. We're gonna do vibe coding. Yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. That's why I put the lo-fi on. And if I get excited about this, then I will put on the techno, okay? But I don't know if this is gonna work out. We'll see. Bonjour, Robert Penot, obviously from France. He doesn't even have to say that. He also looks French. No, he just looks European. Okay. Let me just start by introducing the story for this live stream. It's actually pretty interesting. I have something cool for you guys to show. Because I have been wanting to make products for years. This is a long-term dream of mine. But I honestly never had the money to create products. Like 10 years ago, when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I already wanted to make products like apps, plugins, platforms, whatever. But my dreams were always bigger than my skill set and my wallet. And especially back in the day, if you wanted to build an app, you had to, pay developers, pay designers. We didn't have all of this AI stuff. And so it was just a lot harder. And I actually tried 2 times to build something. And I want to show you guys what I built in the past with help from others. Okay. Because I actually already built an app in the past. Yeah. I will show you that app. Let me switch to my Google Chrome. Do you guys see this? Yeah. This is an app I built in the past. It is a social media tracker that tracks how many subscribers you have. So let me just scroll through this page. This was actually, I think, one of the first projects I did in Elementor. Or not, I don't even know. Look at this cool scrolling animation. With the Counting Hall app, you have everything in one simple overview. You can add your own account, your friends' accounts, your competitors, and then you basically open the app and then you see that in the last 4 days since you have opened the app, you have grown this many followers on different platforms. Well, actually, there were some more animations in this page. Let me refresh this one. I think there were some more like entrance animations. Yeah, here, there's a little animation here. some counters. So you also had a review or a detail page where you could basically see the data. And then you had a page where that you could easily share on social media. And this page was actually really popular back then. I think we only launched this app in the Netherlands, and it got quite popular. Like a lot of YouTubers used it in order to use this if they, wanted to share something. You could set up your own background, and you could set up goals. This was a feature we added later. And we even had an event on a YouTube event where like YouTubers showed up and they made pictures. Yeah, I wanted this, okay? Like when I see this, it makes me really happy because it was such a big effort to do all of this. It never turned into a great business. I lost thousands of euros building this and doing all of this. Like I funded this with my first agency. So my first agency was more like a graphic design agency for influencers back then, like 10 years ago. And we basically made like YouTube banners and YouTube intros and all of that. That's actually how I started my career, even though I studied web design, but I couldn't really, I could go to an agency, but I didn't really want to. I wanted to do something with YouTube. I was obsessed with YouTube since the beginning. So I wanted to combine YouTube with design somehow. So I made an app for YouTubers. Wait, let me quickly check the comments. I think this is pretty cool. Glad I came in on time. Okay, let's continue. So that's what I did here. There were really big influencers at the time. They were using this app to like show how much they grew compared to other influencers, that they reach certain milestones. They were sharing this on social media, and we got like 20,000 downloads, I think just in one country. And then we tried to build a premium feature. Is this even a page? Yeah, but I think we never launched this. Yeah. Because I think it's like, it was too hard. Like back in the day, it was not so easy. So to like connect, I don't think there was like the simple Stripe integration as it is right now for many apps. So you had to do lots of stuff and it became so complex. And I wanted to focus more on YouTube. So I just basically gave it up. I did this together with 2 other developers. So that was my first project, and then there was one more project that I did. Can I show that to you? Let me see if I can show some pictures. Wait. I'm looking through my folders right now. You cannot see that. I think if I can share my other screen like this. Preview? No, wait. What is it called? Navigator? Notes? Finder. Yeah, okay, over here. Look at this. So, here. I actually, wait, let me just open them one by one, that's easier. Can you see this? No, wait, I just need to show it like... Uh-oh. Go, is this not going okay? Okay, this is a live stream I did a long time ago. Like, look how young I am over here. I already was like, I built a whole design system for this platform. It was, here, look at me. This is my first YouTube channel in Dutch. But I already tried to build a platform. You can see some wireframes over here. You can see some designs over here. We had to use Photoshop. Like, XD didn't exist. Figma didn't exist. We literally had to use Photoshop or Sketch. And the Sketch version was a little bit nicer because you had you had more options for UI design. Sketch was basically before Figma and Adobe XD became popular. Like, Sketch was the best UI tool there was after Photoshop. We made product photos, wireframes. We tried to build this whole thing, but it was just too hard. Yeah, it's interesting, huh? So I always had this dream of building products. Just go to Google Chrome. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever shared this on YouTube. Maybe I should like make like a video about that separately. But this is my background. I've always had this passion. So now, you know, a question for you guys. Do you also have this did you also try to make something in the past? Or is this just me? Let's see. What kind of plugin are you going to build? Are you going to put it on a WordPress plugin list? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. If you guys like it. Glad I'm on time. I'm on time. Yeah. Nice that you're here. Nowadays, big social media companies are using auto-generated CSS classes to make it impossible to get this kind of data. What? I don't know what you mean. Hey, a Pakistani YouTuber also did make a plugin named InstaWP, and the YouTuber is WP Academy. Okay. I don't know. The name is WP Academy. Okay, let's try to find it, because I also saw some other YouTubers that were trying to make plugins. Are using Bricolas. Yeah, that's the font I'm using. Yeah, what I wanted to show is that I've actually seen some other YouTubers also make plugins. So I saw Imran. He has made some kind of WebP converter. It's really cool. I think he just made this with code snippets or something. This is my impression. I'm not exactly sure. And I saw another YouTuber, Jamie. He made a video called "I built 10 amazing apps with Bolt AI." So that's this company. Yeah, really cool. Wait, I should probably close this. Yeah, okay. So there are people now with no coding backgrounds making products. It's really cool. And what did he say? WP Academy? He also built a plugin. And it's not just for influencers, right? It's like for everyone. Okay. Yeah. Who will win? The best code tool out there. Yeah, okay. I don't know what he created, but there are more people that have created plugins. It's just really cool. And I've been thinking about what can we use, right? Should we use like Lovable or Cursor or Bolt or just ChatGPT? And I literally asked ChatGPT like, what is the best option to build a WordPress plugin? And it said that Cursor was the best, because Cursor is the easiest one. I don't know exactly what ChatGPT said. Here, I can actually show it, because I also set up my my ChatGPT. Here, you guys can now see my ChatGPT. It says Cursor is probably the best, but if you guys have other ideas for this, then let me know. But I'm gonna try to do stuff in Cursor and in ChatGPT. I will show you what I already did in ChatGPT, because I actually made something. I played around with ChatGPT for like 2 hours, and it created a simple plugin. And yeah, with this stream, I want to show you. I want to build. I want to continue with that build. I want to make it better, but I also want to give you some inspiration that maybe you can also do some stuff for yourself. Again, I'm not a pro. I'm actually very amateur in this, but I could make something, you know. Normally you always had to work together with a developer. It's just so cool. Let's quickly check the comments before we move on. Hey Reno, nice to see you live. Yeah, thank you. The hardest thing about building a WordPress plugin is uploading it to the WP directory. Yeah, I don't know if that's hard. You know, like I know WordPress has a system where people are gonna look into it to check if it's good enough to go live. That's how I think it works. So as they should, right? What do you want to build using Cursor? Oh yeah, I will tell you what I want to build. I have started building an option pages plugin. So what is that? Well, option pages. Let's go back to Chrome. WordPress option page. Maybe I can just find an image quite quickly. Oh yeah, from ACF. So this is actually a paid feature. No, I don't want this one. I just want the Pro page. It's actually a paid feature inside of ACF Pro and also inside of Jet Engine from CrocoBlock. So many of you know CrocoBlock because I've been talking about them for many years now. And they also have option pages. So what it is, it's basically a page where you set up some things for the rest of the website. So for example, you have a phone number and that phone number appears in many different places on the website. But right now, there's not really a way inside of Elementor to just save that phone number in one place and then use that everywhere, right? So that's what option pages are for. And of course, you could create some kind of custom post type, but a custom post type is a list of posts. And that's not what you want. Like for most websites, what you want is a phone number, an email address, maybe some social links. And it would be really nice if you could dynamically control that from one place. So that whenever the Instagram handle updates, which is used in 10 different places on the website, it will be automatically updated in all those places. Same for, yeah, whatever you can think of. And so I wanted to show you something I've been messing around with now, what I have already achieved so far with ChatGPT. Here, option page is free. That's how my plugin is called. The easiest way for Elementor users to globally manage your most used website content in one place. No digging, no duplicates. So this is what I came up with. And it already works. So I literally just started talking to ChatGPT and I want to continue with this build. So I think that's pretty cool. So that's the introduction of what I want to build or what I want to continue building. John says, I like Cursor, but I would highly suggest to try Trae. It has all the major models all for free. Wait, Trae, what is that? Oh wait, is that what I've heard? That TikTok made that? Trae. Like this? Collaborate with intelligence. Okay. Okay, that looks very much like Cursor. Sure, we can also try this. Very cool website. Oh, look. It's really cool, by the way, that in some of these tools, you can literally import a Figma file and then say like, make something according to this. Look at that. I mean, demos are always better than reality. But I don't know. This is just the first try for me, guys. Like, don't judge me too hard. Okay? We're just here to try. Wow. Very nice icons. I love it. It's like transparent 3D. Wow, look at that. It's not so sharp, but look at that. Really cool. Loved by devs. Okay. Yeah, I think this is started from the TikTok company. I've heard something about that. Trae. Isn't it? Or am I crazy? TikTok Trae. TikTok made, yeah. See? TikTok made an IDE. So it is from the company behind TikTok. Yeah. We have more options. That's great. What are the different ways to create a WordPress plugin? Well, you could of course hire a developer and make a design and then, you know, let somebody else build it, or you can use some kind of AI and then just paste it into WordPress. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you what I did, okay? Because I understand this is a little bit difficult. So literally what I did, I just went to ChatGPT And I just started talking to it, okay? Here, let me change to my ChatGPT so you can see it. It's literally just a conversation with me and ChatGPT. Let me just scroll to the top if that's possible. Oh yeah, here. I just started asking like, hey, which one do you think is the best to create a WordPress plugin from all these tools? And then it basically said like Cursor. And then I said like, okay, but how, if it generates a code, how do we then put it on WordPress? And then it said like some kind of snippet plugin. So I don't know if you know, but you have some kind of code snippet plugin in WordPress where you can add a code to your WordPress without actually opening the code files. So if you search for snippets, you have, for example, code snippets. The one that I used, which one is it? Is this one, WP code. And then you just get, is it this one? I think it, yeah. You just get like a code snippet plugin like this. And you just make a page in here. And you just dump your code in here that, oh shit, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I didn't switch to my browser. That happens. I'm sorry. What I wanted to say is you can go to WordPress, search for snippets. And then there's a plugin like this. You install that. You get an option like this where you can install code snippets. Just pieces of code so that you don't have to open the code from WordPress itself. And you just dump your code in here that ChatGPT gives you. That's literally how it works. And then you have this plugin. So I didn't submit this plugin to the WordPress directory. You cannot find this plugin yet. I don't even know how to submit your plugin to WordPress, but you can just make a plugin and run it on your own website by just dumping in the code that an AI gives you in a code snippet plugin like this. So that's how it works. I hope that answered your question. Claude is also integrated with Cursor AI. Oh, I didn't know that. Claude. That's good. Claude is also an option. Yo, Dennis. I mean, in general, how can someone create a WordPress plugin? Yeah, I mean, I think I answered the question, right? Claude 3.7 is the best coding model. Oh, okay. Trae is by ByteDance. It gives you free access to Claude. Very similar to Cursor. Wait. Okay. Okay. We're also gonna try that. Let's try some different things. Whoa, that is what we were doing in PHP for custom coded website. Yeah. We name it company settings. Oh yeah, that's it. It's like a company settings plugin. Hey, Lana is here from CrocoBlock. I was just talking about CrocoBlock. I thought components may be a good feature in this case. Phone and socials. Okay, yeah, I will show you what I've created. Wait, let me switch again to my Chrome. So I added this code, and what it does, it gives me this plugin. And I have company name, and I filled something in, Reno's Design Studio, support email, or just email, phone number, WhatsApp link, address, Google Maps link, if your office changes to another place, VIT number, and then I have another tab over here for URLs. This one was very tricky. I couldn't perfectly make it work. Also, the fact that you can just switch between these tabs, it probably took me an hour, I think so, to talk to ChatGPT, because by default, if you create tabs in WordPress, it reloads the whole page, but then it also removed the whole data. So I wanted tabs to be with Ajax so that it didn't reload the whole plugin. And I made it work with just talking to ChatGPT, so very cool. So what it does is, for example, the company name, okay, is Reno's Design Studio. For some reason, it always adds this slash in here. I don't know why. Save the changes. Okay, refresh. Yeah, it always adds the slash in here. These are some things that I don't know how to do. But like, you can just copy the shortcode. So it presents the shortcode here at the bottom. You can copy it, and then you can go to an Elementor page. So for example, I have a page over here. Okay, let's edit that with Elementor. So again, we have the company name. Okay, so let's say we're gonna change this text to welcome to, and then we're gonna paste the company name, right? And we're also gonna put that in here, the power of my company name. So we can see it in 2 places. We're gonna publish this. We're gonna view it on the front end. And there you go. Welcome to Reno's Design Studio. The power of Reno's Design Studio. And then once we change that over here, you know, maybe it's not a studio, but an agency. You save that in here. It says, okay, you go back to your page, you refresh. And now we went from studio to agency in those 2 places. So imagine having this also for this kind of information here. Your phone number is in the footer over here. I added it over here. So now it ends with 99. So let's say that it's not 99, but 991. Save the changes. Yes. Refresh. And there you go. And no matter how many times you've used this anywhere, it works. Social links, I've tried to make it work. It was so hard because I was messing around with the HTTPS. That was causing some problems. But it kind of like worked. And I know like CrocoBlock and ACF have a much more beautiful solution. Because they... Wait, uh-oh. I got the sandball, the Mac sandball of death. Okay. I know that some plugins like ACF Pro and Jet Engine, they have a more beautiful solution. Because with them, you can load in that data, not with a shortcode as I have right now, but you can load in that data with the Elementor dynamic tags. So maybe we can try with ChatGPT or Cursor to make it so that we can also load in the content from here. That would be really cool. Here you can see ACF and Jet Engine. So that's what I've created so far. Pretty cool stuff, right? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Is real coding gonna die out to vibe coding? I don't think so. I think what you can do with this is quite simple. I think people who will say that, you know, programmers will be out of a job, same with designers. I don't think they really understand how deep it goes, you know, for simple things, of course. But if I wanted to create something really complex, at some point I'm gonna run into problems and then I cannot really solve it. And so AI is very good at like surface level stuff, but once it goes deeper, it will be harder. But that being said, I think AI in the long term will be better at coding than it will be at design, because design requires to ask the right questions. If you understand what I mean. Like a design is not just colors and typography. It's a lot of decisions that have to be made, but code has to work. And a computer is really good at making things work. So I don't think real coding is gonna die, but it's definitely more risky, I think, than design. And I'm not just talking about visual design, right? I'm talking about good design that's based on what users want. That will always require good questions, and the AI doesn't have that information. Your plugin looks cool, but it needs styling. Absolutely. Of course, like it's ugly. It's ugly as shit. Like it's not good at all. It's very ugly. I am very aware, but I was already so happy that I could make something that actually works. I currently employ a vibe coding team. Wow, of 3 to 2 devs, 1 UX designer. I'm interested in working on WordPress plugins. How is the viability so far? Sorry, what do you mean? What do you mean with that? How do you... Well, that's interesting. He hires a team. Is the Elementor Pro build in form good enough? Yeah, that's not a question. I'm not just answering. I'm not just doing support questions right now, guys. We're just gonna focus on the plugin in this stream. That's not really a plugin though. That's just a custom code. A plugin requires a structure of a plugin, which you can also make and upload to your WP install, and then it will appear in your plugin list. I don't think so, David. I think it's a plugin. I'm pretty sure it is, because it's like ChatGPT has written it in a plugin kind of way. I think if you just upload that as a plugin, then if you convert it into a zip, this one, because it's written as a WordPress plugin. I'm pretty sure about that. And then I can upload it to a plugin. So maybe you mean technically, but I'm pretty sure I can convert this easily in a plugin. So long as the implementation work, if it's a plugin or just not the semantics, not the point. Yeah, exactly. Beach ball or rainbow, yeah. Even explain what you do now. Explain us what you do now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna make something. I see AI as a teacher, helping with doing some ideas. A nice plugin. Thank you, Naman. What plugin are you using now? I'm using Jet Engine mainly because I have a lifetime subscription or lifetime plan of CrocoBlock, so I mainly use that. So let me show you. It's actually quite similar, the CrocoBlock version. Here in Jet Engine, you also have option pages. So if you go in here, you can also create an option page. So let's just call this one company info jet. And let's just choose another icon, this one. And then you can just add fields over here. Of course, this UI is a lot better than what I have, because with my version, you cannot create fields yourself. So here you can also say like company name, and that's a text field, right? And then you can add another field, which is phone number, and that's gonna be not a text field, but a numbers field, right? And then you can click on add the page, and that it will add it here on the left, company info jet. You see? This is how the version that CrocoBlock has looks. Actually, the number field is a bit small. I don't know if you can change that. But yeah, this is of course a lot easier, but I was able to create this, and my plugin is free, you know? So if I am able to convert this into a plugin and upload it to the WP plugin library, then you guys can use it. Actually, I can already share it now. If you guys want to test it, let me know. As a code snippet, and you can dump it into a code snippet plugin like I have over here, right? I think that's literally all it is. Yeah, or was there also some CSS? I don't think so. I think this is just a default post. Yeah, because this is the only one that's on. So yeah, that's it. That's what I did so far. So let's do some stuff. Yeah, I already did. Like I made quite a few tutorials in the past, but not some updated ones. Cursor or Trae will help you get your folder structure right. Okay, that's great. Yeah, let's do that. Happy to see you showed counting on. Maybe also show them Ditback. Yeah, I did. In the beginning of this stream, I did. That's the other platform. Just got in. What have you made? Yeah, I'm trying to make an option page plugin, and we're gonna continue now making it better. I just first want to start a little bit with ChatGPT, show you guys like how easy it is to add features. Hopefully it's gonna work what we're trying to do, and then we're gonna move to Cursor, and then maybe also try the other one, Trae or Bold, that the other YouTuber used. So it's an option page plugin. You can put in all of your dynamic data in here. So for example, what your company name is. Oh, it adds more slashes here. What is going on here? So weird. But you can put in some info here. You can save it, and then you can use that on your page in multiple places. And then it will display the right data on the front end with the slashes for some reason. And I also did that for the phone number over here, the email, the vet ID. So in this way, you can just manage your website more smartly. And it would be really cool if we can convert this, make this plugin better, and then also convert it into a plugin that you guys can download, hopefully. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT and let's go to the bottom. ChatGPT, yes. And now I'm also gonna open my notes because I have some notes on what I want to improve for this plugin. So let me just try to find my notes. This one. Okay. Let's first try to make the styling better. I don't know if that's easy, but let's try. I want to start by fixing like the fact that this text is under the input field. I don't like it. I think this plugin can be shorter if this text would be on the right of the input field. Because there's enough space here, and then this whole list can be shorter. So I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT, I'm gonna try to describe hey, right now the input field is above the shortcode text and button. But I want the shortcode and button to be on the right of our input field. Can you tell me what to do? Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, so we need to add a container and use Flexbox. Okay. Oh, there's actually multiple parts. Yeah, this is already where it becomes a little bit harder, because now we need to find this stuff. So this is what I did. So I'm already like, I don't know if this is gonna be a nice experience to watch. I'm just gonna try to do this, and then if you guys go crazy, I'll just move to Cursor, okay? Okay, what do we need to do? Replace this. Okay, so where is this? I'm just gonna copy it, what I did last time, and then go to my code snippet. Just open it, and then try to find it with Command F. No, because it's probably like this. Input text. Yeah. This one probably. Or no. Oh my god, this is already hard. Where do I find it? Ah, scheisse. Where in my code do I find it? Let's see what you guys are saying in the meantime. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Reno, have you already talked about if it's worth it paying for ChatGPT Plus? Yeah, I definitely think it's worth it to pay for ChatGPT Plus. I use ChatGPT like at least 10 times a day for business stuff, personal stuff. It helps me to write, to make my text better, to make my emails better, because my way of talking is sometimes a little bit too direct and it's not always professional when I write an email. So I use it to make it sound better. And then I also just tell it like, you know, don't make it sound too corporate. And now it starts to know me better. I think with ChatGPT Plus you get more memory. So I think you can save more information about yourself. And you can, of course, create custom GPTs. So what I have in my ChatGPT is that I have a custom GPT just for my content. And this helps me because this guy already knows a lot about me. I mean, it's myself, but I just feed this GPT. I have exported 20 videos, the script, and I just put it in there. And I also gave it instructions on how I like to talk. And then it really knows me and it really helps. So yeah. Someone says, always begin with hey and end with thank you. Yeah, exactly. Because you never know when AI is going to take over the world, right? Okay. Oh, the music is off. Let's put on some more energetic music. Our techno playlist. Okay. Let's go back because this is not starting very well. In my folder. You can, by the way, also make folders here. It's pretty nice. Option pages. Okay, where do I find it? ChatGPT says over here. Okay, so this is the one I need to copy. Now I'm gonna go to my Chrome. Try to find it. Why do I not find it? Business fields. Let's just do something a little bit shorter. Okay. Oh, here, count. Okay. I'm already not liking this, that I cannot find it. Like the first thing was a lot easier. You know what? Let's just start over. Let's just start over in Cursor and let's try. Because I think that's going to be nicer if we just start over. Because I already started this and I don't know anymore what to do. So let's just start over, okay? I am just going to switch to Cursor. Do you guys see this? Yeah, I'm just going to type in the prompt. So, hey, Cursor. I want to create a WordPress plugin. It's an option pages plugin that allows users to put in their company info, like company name, telephone number, business email, etc. Which each field then creates a shortcode that we can use in page builders. So I just want you to create a simple list of input fields. Do you guys think this prompt is good enough? I think it's pretty good. Try with Notepad++ and set the language to PHP. What? Oh, does Notepad++ Notepad++ also have like code? I chat, you build, do you get me what? Cool, I chat, you build, do you get me cursor? What? What does that mean in eBay? Okay, let's try this prompt. I'm just gonna hit enter. I hope this is good enough. But maybe it will generate the files now because I didn't say that I wanted it to be like a code snippet that I can put into somewhere. So we'll see what happens. Cannot validate since the PIP installation could not be found. User setting, configure the PIP. Okay. All right, it has done something. Oh, that pop-up also disappeared. Okay. So what is the answer? I will help you create a WordPress plugin. Okay. I've created I've created complete WordPress plugin that provides, okay. Create a new menu item. Yes, that's what we want. Add a setting page. Yes. It has added more fields than I asked for. Very nice. Each field automatically generates a shortcode. Yes, also very nice. With good naming. I like this so far. To use your plugin, create a new folder called company info option in your WordPress plugin directory. Okay. Activate the plugin through the WordPress admin dashboard. Yeah. Yeah, okay. But can you also just convert it into a PHP snippet that I can use in a code snippet plugin? Or is that not smart? Let's see if it's also like conversational. I can help you convert these PHP snippets. However, I should mention that while it's possible, it's generally not the best practice for a few reasons. Oh, code snippet plugin is typically meant for smaller, specific functionality rather than full features. The plugin structure provides better organization and maintainability. Okay. Plugin updates and deactivation are handled more cleanly. Okay, however, if you still want to use that as snippets, here's the modified version. Okay, I've modified the code. I will just maybe try his first version. Let's just reject it. Can we then go back? Okay, let's just try the plugin route then, instead of the snippet route. I'm just gonna try. Somebody says that's already a PHP snippet. Oh, okay. That code you see, put it in a snippet. Okay, let's try. I'm just gonna copy the code. It's regenerating right now. It's doing some stuff again. Would you like me to add additional fields? No, I just want to get it to work first, okay? Create a new folder called Infamy in your WordPress directory. Okay, so I want to try with the plugin route as well. Okay, wait. Make a decision, Reno. Copy. Chrome. Come on, let's try. Code snippets. Leave, yeah. We're just gonna call it. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna try to make a plugin, okay? So we're gonna make add your custom snippet. I just want a normal one. What is it here? Is this the normal one? I think it is. Oh, here, yeah, PHP, yes, okay. A title, option, pages, cursor, version 1, paste it. Let's see. Okay, it has 2 times the PHP opening now, so we don't need that. Does it close? Okay. Save snippet. Let's see if it actually saves, if it does something. It did. Did it do something? No, because we have to turn it on. Let's turn it on. Let's refresh. Oh no, let's click on update. Yeah, did it do something? No, this is my old plugin. And this is the one from, oh, here it is. Hey, look at that. Wow. 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 Whoa, that was a lot faster than ChatGPT. Okay, this for ChatGPT took me a while. Wow, okay, that's cool. This is very similar to what I had before. Let's compare it. You see? But we don't have the copy button to copy the shortcode easily. This is cool, guys. We're making some progress. Yeah, yeah. Where are you guys? Let's see. Oh, people are explaining something about code in the comment section. Take that code you see and put it in a snippet. Yeah, okay. A plugin is essentially a PHP snippet with multiple files zipped in it. Yeah, exactly. That's what I think. It's not so different, right? Obviously a very watered down summary. Yeah, okay, okay. This is cool. Awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? What I built. Look at this. Wait, let's test it. I'm too enthusiastic already. Let's try. What is our company name? Okay, our company name is Reno's Shoes Company. My telephone number is 1234888. My business email is reno@thebestshoes.com. My address is Bali Street 1. Whoopla. Okay, save the settings. Let's see if it actually saves it. We're gonna refresh it. Yes, it saves it. Okay, now we're gonna copy this field. We're gonna go to Elementor, refresh it, edit with Elementor. So now we have a different shortcode. I hope it's not the same name that they used. Oh, scheisse. It's the same name. Do you see that? Company lower dash name. Oh, we have a problem. We have a problem. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my own plugin so that we can test the new one. Wait, we both have them now. Which one is... That's interesting. Which one is more powerful? Reno's Design Agency. Okay, my plugin still overrules the other one. So we're gonna turn off my plugin. Now, and now this page should display the new one. Okay, that doesn't do that. Why not? Is it exactly the same or no? Oh wait, this is the whole shortcode. It is different. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. This is the whole shortcode. This one. It's a longer shortcode. So now it should display, if I refresh it, my shoe company. And that doesn't work. Right? That's the shortcode, right? The whole thing. Why is it not working? Am I doing it wrong? No, right? Or is it just this? Field. No, of course this doesn't work. What am I doing wrong? What? What? Still, wait, it's still outputting the design agency even though I disabled the snippet. How? Oh wait, am I smart? Wow, I am not smart. I literally disabled the wrong snippet. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, I should use my eyes more. I literally turned off the new one from Cursor. Refresh. So now, oh my god, Reno. So now we should be able to copy this one because this one now doesn't work, should not work. Yes, because I turned it off. Okay, so now we're gonna put in that new snippet. Publish, and now it should show my shoe company. Yes, it works. Hey. Let's try it in more places. If we have it over here as well. And there you go. Look at that. Shoe company refresh. Shoe company. Shoe company. Hey. Yeah. What software are you using to share your screen and play the audio? I'm using Ecamm Live for my live streams. You should set the title widgets to dynamic and use a prefix. Yeah, I know. But how do I do that, Koen? How do I make it so that I can load the stuff in to Elementor? How do I do that? That would be really cool. You turn off the new snippet. Yeah. I know, I should have checked the comments first. Also, notice Cursor wrote better code for escaping a single quotes too. No slashes being... Yeah, exactly. The slash is gone. You don't need to turn off the old snippet. Yeah, I'm sorry. I turned off the wrong snippet. It happens all the time. Loving the work. Yeah, thank you, eBay, for the support, the mental support. Okay. As a label, they're not the same. Yeah, okay. Okay, Koen, if you know, Koen, how to turn this into something that we can actually use in Elementor with the dynamic tag in Elementor Pro, that would be really cool. But we're just gonna try. We're gonna go back to circle now because I also want to try the plugin route. Like, can we convert this in a plugin? Here, cursor. Create a new folder called company info options. Okay. So company info. Oh, here, we can just copy this. Copy in your WP content plugins. Okay, let's try that. In order to do that, I had to download this plugin where you can actually get to your file manager. This is easier than going to your hosting, you know, and then trying to find the folder. This is just easy. You can get to your files. You can make folders with this plugin. If it starts loading, hello, good morning. Let me check some comments in the meantime. Why is it taking so long? I hope my internet is nothing wrong with my internet. Come on, plugin. You can do it. Okay. I'm in. It said that I should create a plugin folder. Yeah, here. Let's make a new folder. How do I do that? Here, probably this button. Oh no, open. No, that's open. How do I create a new folder? Plus file. Oh, here, new folder. That icon is so wrong. It looks like new file. Okay, we have to create this name. Yes. And then what? Cursor. What are you saying? Go to your WordPress admin panel. Yes. Navigate to plugins. Yes. Find company info and activate it. Oh, wait. So we should have a plugin already now? Install. Let's go to plugin overview. Where is it? No, it's not here. Where is it? Wait, what was the name again? Company info options. It's not here. Or am I blind? It's not here, right? Wait, what are you saying, cursor? Place this file in it. I don't read enough. But what? How do I download this file then? Oh, here. Wait, this one? Right? Yeah, this one. Oh, wait. Wait. I have this in my Dropbox. I made a folder, now I remember. Ah, I see. Okay, so Cursor saves this PHP file into a folder. And now we're gonna go to that folder, and it has created two versions already. Like, why? Snippet, oh, options, okay. Okay, so I found the file. So now we're gonna go back to WordPress, and we're gonna go into this folder, and then we're gonna try to upload probably this icon. No, go to parent folder. What's the upload? Oh, drop any items. I'm just gonna drop it in here from my finder. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it works. Okay, so now in the plugin overview, we should refresh. And we should find our new plugin. Yeah, it's here. Okay, great. Activate. Really cool. So now, oh, now we have two. Okay, now we have both of them. Okay, let's turn the one off from the snippet. So now we have, hopla. Now we have an official plugin, I guess. Yeah. See? Probably the data is gone because it's probably saved somewhere else. Oh no, we still have Reno Shoes Company. Okay, whatever. I don't know how that works, but the data is still here. That's cool. Okay, now let's do something in Cursor again. Let's now also try to add something. Okay, so I have created the plugin and activated it, and it works. Actually, I say that, but does it still work on the front end? Refresh. Reno Shoes Company, does it still come through? Yeah, it still works. Okay, great. Cursor. So now I want you to add a easy copy button to copy the shortcode for users, so that they don't have to manually select the shortcode text. And can we do more? And I also want you to put the shortcode text and button on the right side of our input fields, so that each line, each input field plus text is a little less tall in the UI, if that makes sense. Let's see what's gonna do. Let's see. And you know what would be really great? If this plugin can automatically sync with my WordPress plugin, so that I don't have to copy and paste the code. Actually, now it's pretty annoying, because now we need to go into that plugin and replace the code. Okay, do you guys know a solution for this, that where it will automatically sync somehow? Okay, it has, oh, it's still working. Let's see what it has created. Whoa, the UI of Cursor, it's pretty hard to see which one is your prompt. You see? This is my prompt. It's almost the same color. If you hover, if you don't hover, it looks like part of the whole line. Okay, I will help you modify the plugin to add a copy button and improve the layouts. We will need to add some JavaScript for the copy functionality. Okay, sure. Quickly checking the comments. Create a PHP file in your file manager and paste it there. Yeah, I did that, right? Your plugin is like a database. Okay. Okay. Reno checklist Claude link. Yeah, I'm just trying Cursor right now, guys. Like maybe a little bit later we're gonna try another one. Put your PHP file into a folder, compress it, and upload it to the plugin base. Yeah, okay. Okay, we did that. Our Reno is now a coder. Yeah, kind of. I just want to be able to like push this out to WordPress somehow without having to like copy and paste or now even upload a file. Okay, so what does Cursor say? What is we should do? We need to add some, okay, we need to add some PHP or JavaScript. I've made the following improvements to the plugin. Added the copy button, okay. Improve the layout, yeah. Adding a proper spacing, okay. Can we have some kind of preview as well? Split editor, what is that? Oh no, oh, no. What is happening? Close. Close, please. I wanted to just have a visual. Enable preview editors. Wait, what is this? Primary toggle panel. Oh, that's a side panel. Okay, we don't really need that side panel, I think. Really? It really depends on the IDE. In PHP Storm, it is possible to set up auto deployment of the server. Okay, but do you guys not agree that it's then easier to just use the code snippet plugin for now because we can just copy and paste? I'm also making one plugin with AI a few days ago. Very cool. What did you make? Reno, don't select auto model. Pick one model for coding. Claude 3.7 is very good now. Gemini. Yeah, but how do I change the model then? Is it like over here? Auto select. I don't know how to change the model. Reno, I can give you a snippet to add to your PHP file to let Elementor see your options data. Very cool, but I want to try it myself. I want to try it with Cursor, okay? I don't like want developers to do all the work for me. I mean, maybe when I'm gonna make this into a serious product, then it would be really cool if we can build this together, right? Below the text area, right side agent tab. Below the text area, right side agent tab. Below the text area. Oh, this is where you... Oh, here, model menu. Okay, so what do I type in here then? What do I type in there then? You can push it, but it's a bit of setting up. It's not a simple thing. Just copy the PHP code and paste it into the file you already uploaded. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what Cursor has done. We're gonna copy all of it. Command A, Control C. We're gonna go to my Chrome. And we're gonna try to go to this file and I'm gonna open it. No, not download. Don't download it. Open. Open. Code editor. There we go. See? Control A, Control V. Save and close. There we go. Let's try. Refresh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we crashed it. Let's go to the dashboard of WordPress. Back. Let's see what's happened. Company info. Yeah. We did it. The copy button is very ugly, but it's on the right. And wait, what else did I ask? Oh yeah, I asked for a copy button and to put the info on the right. Hey, this was easy. I just did 2 prompts. Right. Wait, did we just did 2 prompts and already have this? Am I crazy? Load older messages. 1 prompt? Yeah, okay, we talked about that PHP snippet. Okay, whatever. Is it a snippet or a plugin? Instead snippet route, okay. I think I just literally did like 2-3 prompts and we already have this. Okay, let's test it. This is really cool. We're gonna try the telephone number. Copy. Oh, it has like a little, see that? A little checkbox. Wait, let me zoom in. Here, look at that. Hopla, that's cool. There's a little bit of feedback that it has been copied. I like that, simple, even though it looks absolutely ugly, but that's fine. We're gonna go into our file manager. No. We're gonna go into Elementor. We're gonna refresh, and we're gonna try to add that telephone number to the text, and then also in the footer somewhere, if it's gonna work. I hope so. Can I upload a Figma or image to Cursor? Yeah, I think you can. Maybe can we use AI to even make the UI better? I mean, I am a UX designer. I can make plugins look good, okay? But that takes a lot of hours to make a custom design for a plugin. Maybe we can make it a little bit better in Figma. Okay, that would be really fun. That would be really fun if we like we put it in Figma. And then, wait, let's first try ChatGPT. If ChatGPT can make it look nicer. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. We're gonna try to add the phone number in here. Phone. Paste shortcode. Okay, it has worked. The copy button works. Let's see if the shortcode also works. I'm also gonna put it in the footer somewhere over here. This is the old one from the old plugin. So we're gonna replace it with our new shortcode. Publish the changes. And now in the footer and in the hero section, our phone number, which is, what's our phone number? This is the old one. Let's keep it open for reference. Our phone number with 4 times 8. Oh, this one also has 4 times 8. So annoying. And a 5. Save. Yeah, come on. Yes, please load. Okay, refresh. Should now show up here and in the footer. Yeah, 8885. And in the footer as well. Hey, our plugin works. Very, very cool. Yeah. Oh wait, it's this one. Pretty cool. But now I want to make it look a little bit better, right? This is boring. Let's try something crazy. I'm gonna just copy, make a screenshot of this, and then I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is also a designer these days. Can you use your image generation skills to make this version of the plugin better in terms of UI design? I want it to have a modern look. The icons, the copy icon is very ugly, and the plugin looks a bit outdated. So I am pasting the original or the current design here and a reference plugin that I like the design of. Can you use that as inspiration then? Okay, so first we're gonna paste the current version of the plugin, and then we need a plugin that looks nice. I think personally ACF looks nice in terms of UI design, like how it feels, you know. Of course, this is just a test, eh? We're not here to copy ACF, but at least we have some reference. We're gonna see if ChatGPT poops out something that we like. Okay. Just the input fields, the way it feels. So I'm just gonna copy, make a screenshot of this, then go to ChatGPT, paste it in here. Let's see what it comes up with. I am very curious if it can generate an image that we can use. This is fun. Trust me, and make UI edits by simply selecting the Claude 3.7 model from the cursor. Oh, Mustafa, can you tell me how to do that? Show him a wide screenshot also. What do you mean? Add social media links as well. I would like to see if it will display links. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's try to add some social media links after this. Let's see if that also works. I think the Trae IDE will be insane. I'm seeing Claude 3.7 Gemini. Okay, that's cool. Wait, let me plug in some power in my laptop. I'm running on a battery. I'm living on the edge, boys. Okay. I want to try that Trae version. Very curious what ChatGPT comes up with. This is so much fun, guys. Can this AI convert my Figma to HTML, CSS, and responsive? I think so, yeah. But like, it's not WordPress, right? I mean, if you want to use a page builder, that's a different kind of game. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Hey, ChatGPT. Why are you cutting it off like this? But we can use this, right? Let me try to save this image. Copy. I'm just gonna copy it, whatever. We're just gonna go to Cursor and be like, yo, that was awesome. It works. Let's now work on the UI a little bit because our plugin looks outdated. I have an image as a reference that you can use to make the UI look better. Especially the copy button, as you can see. And then let's try to make it a little bit more complex. But the image or the copy button here is blue, and I want my brand to be purple. So please use purple. Okay. Let's see the comments. Under the place where you write the prompt, deactivate the option where it says auto and you can choose the model. Oh, wait. Is there a way to allow users to add their own fields? Yeah, that's also a cool idea, John. You have good ideas. That's really cool. Social links need rel knee opener. And if it's only an icon, it needs to be an area label. I don't know, Dennis, what you're talking about. Is that like code stuff? I don't know. Okay, wait. Copy this just in case. Auto. Yeah, but what model then? Here, what do I do? Claude? Yeah, hey, I can do that. I can just do that. Let's just test it. I just converted it into Claude. Oh, connection field. Your internet connection. Hey. I'm gonna try again. There's nothing wrong with my internet connection. I'm literally streaming. What are you talking about, ChatGPT? I will help you modernize the UI and incorporate a purple scheme for your brand. Since you mentioned an image as a reference, but I don't see it attached. Oh, scheisse. Wait, stop. Oh, no. I forgot to copy and paste the image. I am sorry. Let me go back. Let me copy and paste the image from ChatGPT into Cursor. Image. Yeah, okay, now the image is attached, as you can see. We're gonna try it again with Claude 3.7. See, I'm becoming a pro. It's okay, don't panic, mate. Cursor is very brilliant. Yeah, I see. That's German for shit. Yeah, I said Scheiße. I'm not German, I'm Dutch, but I like the word Scheiße. It's like, it sounds good. It sounds more passionate than shit. Lol, he forgot about the image. Yeah, I know, boring, but I fixed it. Okay, now Claude is doing his job. It's making the UI look more modern. Looking at your reference, I can see the layout has a cleaner design. Yeah. And the shortcode displays more integrated. It's now gonna do its thing. Are you guys enjoying this? How are you guys enjoying this? Yeah, this is cool, huh? I applied for internship at Coffee Bottle when I was 9. Nice, man. Alexander, that's a long time ago, man. Wait, that means you're like... You're still young now. You're like, what are you, 18, 17? That was my first company. Like, it was called Hoe Gaat Dat? And my agency was called Coffee Bottle. So, yeah. Really cool you're on this path. Yeah, right, Milan? It's cool, huh? Wait, are you Dutch also, Milan? Your last name sounds a bit Dutch to me. Very cool. Okay, well, let's check Cursor in the meantime. Oh, an error. Uh-oh. Let me try to update the file. You're making me nervous, Cursor. Have you added rules to your Cursor settings? Cursor, no. I have no idea. This is literally my first time using Cursor, guys. Oh, my fiance is Dutch. Hey, you helped me build a successful agency, which I have been running for over a year now and growing. Thank you for everything. I might visit you one day. That's very cool, Mustafa. That is really cool. I love hearing that kind of stuff. It is seriously so cool that my videos are helping people. You know, I don't know about this video, this live stream, but like, you know, my tutorials, it's very, very cool. Following you since Hoe Gaat Het? Very nice, Milan, that you're here. So Milan is also Dutch. We'll see this finish, just arriving here from Uruguay. Okay, well, welcome, Javier. We're making a plugin, okay? Cursor is doing its best. I think I'm challenging Cursor quite a bit, but we have already made, here, look at that. Look at this, Xavier. We have made a plugin already here at the left. Look, it's like custom fields. You can put stuff in here and then you can copy the shortcode and then you can use that shortcode in Elementor and then it outputs it on the front end in different places. Very cool stuff. But now we are patiently waiting for Cursor. Let me try to complete the edit. It's a little bit slow. Wait, am I impatient now? I probably am. I'm sorry, Cursor. Hey! Nice that you're here, OJ. Yeah, some of your videos are really helpful. Thank you, thank you. I just catch up from you a lot, so that's why I would like to add some tips and tricks. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. It's a lot. Like, you guys are giving a lot of tips, but have you tried augment code? I have no idea what that is. Maybe select Core 3.5, 3.7 crashes now with the cursor. Oh, that's good information because it feels like Cursor is crashing. Which program am I using for streaming? I'm using Ecamm Live. I think you're updating CSS by yourself. What is option pages? Give me more details. I just explained it. Like, it's custom fields. You can put that in your WordPress. And you can use that data in multiple places on your website. So for example, a telephone number that you use in 10 places inside of your Elementor website, you save that in one place and then you can use it everywhere. Very nice for maintaining websites. I found Claude 3.7 really slow. Yeah, okay, maybe it's just that. Maybe it's just That's the reason why it's slow now, because I switched to 3.7. Try, I want to see your reaction. It's much better than Cursor in my opinion. Yeah, I know, but there's also some other tools. There are many tools, guys. It's just one live stream. I cannot do everything. But I also want to try the other one that the other guy said. Hopefully we can do that in this stream. This is so useful. I don't know why ASE plugin doesn't have it yet. Yeah, exactly. Wait, does ASE have it? That's a good question. I actually have ASE installed on this website. Does ASE have it? Here, tools, enhancements. Does ASE not have it? Maybe in the pro version or something. I think like it's only like slides. Content management. Should be here, right? Yeah, I don't think ASE doesn't have it. It's a perfect integration for ASE. Actually, did you guys know that I made this plugin look better? It was looking a lot worse before. And I made a redesign and I sent it to the guy and he implemented like half of my design. This developer is very like feature focused, you know, or he's very technical. So how would I say it? Like he did some things that I suggested, but not everything. But it looks better now, so I'm happy about that. I really love plugins and like I love UI design. I also work for WordPress companies, if you guys didn't know. Like I've worked for many WordPress companies. I help them improve their UI design. So I just love this stuff. Okay, let's see what it is. Editor. Let me try that to complete the edit. Let me try reapply this. Okay. Waiting for approval. Okay, it's still running. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take your guys' advice. I'm gonna change it for next prompt to Claude 3.5 because this is literally, what is it? 5 minutes for one prompt? That's a lot. I don't want to wait for this. You know what? Let's try to make an account on Trae. Oh, it's also an app. I just want to see it in the... Can I not use it in the browser? Login. Download. See download options. Yeah, how big is this stuff? Is it gonna... Oh, it's not too big. I think Cursor was a lot bigger. It was like... I don't know. Whatever. It still downloads. The stream still runs. We're all fine. How do we make an account here? Should we just install this tool? I think I'm just going to try to install it. Let's see what happens if I install it on my computer. While Cursor is still running in the background. I would like to see a visual preview. That would be cool. Like for guys like me that have no background in coding. Maybe I'm asking for too much, but I saw some tools that had like visual previews. Maybe that's only for web applications and not for like WordPress plugins. I don't know. Okay, let's see Cursor. Still waiting for approval. My approval? Wait. Was it my approval? I don't know what's going on here. Waiting for approval. What is this? Oh no, do I need to approve this? Wait, I'm gonna check the comments. You have to click run, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm doing it wrong again. Okay. Let's try Cursor. Run. Editor. Do you get unlimited agents call on Cursor Premium? I don't know. I think I'm on the premium now. Let me check. Here, I logged in. Account. Here, look at that. Here, I'm on a pro trial, 14 days for free. Oh, here, you can see it. You've used 4 requests out of your 150 fast 5 request quota. So I can go pretty far, where I only have used 4 requests. So that's good. Premium model. What's the pricing here? I have 14 days remaining. Upgrade to Pro. What's the price? Let's try. Uh-oh. What's it gonna do? Okay, 20 per month. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's see what's happening now in the background. Let me fix the GS code. It's still fixing something. Click on the previous prompts and change the model directly from there. Oh, really? Can I do that? Claude 3.7 to 3.5. Oh, click run. Yeah, okay, I already did that. Install Trae and immediately update it from the to right. You should see the update available button. Okay. Do you think creating useful WordPress plugins will be still able to generate? I have no idea if I can make money with this. It's not really the goal. I just want to make something and I share it with you guys. Like, this is literally just me testing things. Click on the previous prompts and change the model directly. Okay. Finish. It finished the code. Try the code now. Oh, it finished it. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna try. Accept all, I guess. Okay, everything is done. I'm gonna press Command A again. Copy. We're gonna go back to Chrome. Let's go to our plugin. Where is it? Our codes in here. Let's do a quick refresh. We're gonna paste it in here, and now the UI should be better, because remember what we did in ChatGPT? We asked it to make a new design. ChatGPT did that, so now we're gonna paste that code in here. And the music is off. I like that music. Let's turn it on again. Okay. We're gonna open this file with the code editor. If this works, it's like, I'm really impressed. Because we're not just adding functionality here, we're also giving it a screenshot of a UI that has been made by AI by using another plugin as a reference. This is amazing if this works. And guys, this is not a show. This is literally the first time I'm using this in my life. I've seen some other YouTubers do it, and I want to try it as well. That's literally it. I think it's done. I'm a little bit nervous, but that's okay. We're gonna go back and we're gonna click on refresh. Let's see. Yeah, it's better. It's okay. Something weird happening over here. It actually has the kind of like living with pixels purple. Wow. It looks better now, right? It's not like ACF or as cool as this. Let's try compare it to ACF, because we gave it a reference, right? At a field group. Like this screen. I made a screenshot of this screen. And then I gave it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT made this image. Okay. And then Cursor turned it into this. From this prompt, say, to this. What do you guys think? It looks a lot better though. Look at it. And wait, what if we change something? So the website, wait, why is there a website URL? That's weird. We're on the website, right? But we can test it with Instagram, for example. Wait, let's just try to change website to Instagram real quick. I think we can do that ourselves. I'm not so stupid. Here. Let's double click. Oh, no. Code editor. Let's try to find website in here. Here, fields, adding settings field. There's only 2 fields in here, so it should work. Am I right? If I just change this to add settings field, right? These are the fields, right? Instagram. Let's try Instagram. Save and close. If this works, then I'm officially a developer. Refresh. Hey, it worked. Let's try. Let's try. We're gonna put in my Instagram. Copy the code. Boom. Save the settings. Last time my plugin crashed when I tried to do a link because it had struggle with like HTTPS kind of shit. So we're gonna ooh, look at that. Look at that here. It also updated this. How cool is that? It's very simple. Again, we have to fix it. I don't like it as not aligned and everything, but it's a lot better, you know? It's pretty cool. We're gonna test it. We're gonna go to Elementor. Let's see. Let's try to add an Instagram link in here. We're gonna go from Twitter to Instagram. And official color, yeah, whatever. We're gonna add a link in here. No, not a link. No, not a link, Reno. What is this? Test page? No. We're just gonna paste the shortcode in here. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, I would also like to add it in here. That would be so cool if we could do that. Okay, let's try that the next thing. That would be so cool if we can add it into Elementor. So many ideas. So little time. Okay, let's see if it works. We're gonna refresh our page. Come on. Scroll. Click on this button and it's blocked. Uh-oh. I think somebody said something about this, right? You're not vibe coding, cheese dong. What? Wait, are you guys having a discussion about something? Wait, oh, a lot of comments. Let's go back a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna change cursor, okay? I will change it to 3.5. To make it add dynamic tags, add the Elementor docs to it. It worked for me. Okay, Elementor docs. Let's try that. You can do amazing stuff with Cursor Cloud 3.7. Really don't be afraid of code because you can create incredible... Okay. It ends up working as long as you stick with it. I don't know, man. World has gone crazy. Yeah. Wouldn't be too surprised if zombies turn out to be real somehow. Yeah, or maybe we are the zombies after all. Write the prompts. Want to achieve a more minimalistic, clean UI. Using purple colors, but this time use Cloud 3.5. Oh, we can also do that. Okay. I think the design is already like better now. I created a bricks builder add-on that adds more than 10 unique elements. Very cool, man. It should work. Try it. Okay. Minimalist. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can add it to Elementor. It's just shortcodes if you ask Cursor to. Okay. Try from dynamic option from shortcuts and then paste it. Yeah. Huh. What should I write in order to make that happen? And why does my link not work? Okay, let's try those 2 questions at the same time. Looking great. Yeah, it's cool, huh? Okay, let's go back to Cursor. Amazing. The UI looks a lot better. Thank you. But the website field doesn't work because when I put in a URL there, the website outputs it to a link that says What does it say? What does it say? Here, this one. I need to copy that. So something is wrong there. Can you make it work when people paste in a URL like let's try to just copy my example from Instagram. This one. And also, I want to, how do I say this, guys? Like, help me, please. Hey, thank you, keyframe creations. Include Elementor dynamic tag hooks. Okay, also, I want to include Elementor dynamic tag, what was it, hooks, so that I can select this dynamic field from the dynamic option inside of Elementor Pro. Oh yeah, 3.5. Wait, let me copy my code before it goes away. 3.5 sonnets. Okay. Thank you for that stream. I have to go until next one. Oh, thank you as well. Actually, I'm already almost doing 2 hours. Do you guys like it? Can we go on a little bit longer? Awesome, watching from Bangladesh. Nice, Nahit. Very fun. Also fun to share your excitement about it. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay. Don't overcomplicate the oh, am I overcomplicating it? Okay, whatever. Let's try. We're giving it 2 instructions right now. Let's try. With Claude 3.5. The simpler the better. No, I don't know about that. With prompts. Add the Elementor dog suit. Yeah. Okay, I already wrote my prompt. We're gonna see what happens. Paul Chong. Hey. How are you? Is it already done? No? Oh, it's still generating. Now add Elementor dynamic tag support. Okay, so it first fixed the website URL handling, and now it's adding dynamic tag support. Actually, now that I'm doing this, I'm like realizing that this is already so much better than ChatGPT. Like, I'm already giving up on ChatGPT. But I have to say though, I'm on the pro version now of Cursor, and ChatGPT is free. No, wait, I'm also on the paid version of ChatGPT. But I think you can do this in the free version of ChatGPT. But there's also a free version of Claude. And the Trae one is also cool. This is cool, guys. If this works, this prompt, fix the Instagram link, and add functionality to add it into Elementor Pro, then I'm really happy with the result so far in this stream. And I'm really happy. ChatGPT is just chat. This is everything. Yeah. Yeah. I think I have to accept. I think I have to accept again. Accept all. Sure. Wait. It's adding 3 files. Uh-oh. Do I have to add 3 files now? Or is this all part of 3 files? Oh no. Uh-oh, I think I have to like add multiple files now to the folder. Right, guys? Now this completely makes the project. Yeah. Oh wait, he first said I used to ask what kind of programmer I should hire for this project. Now this completely makes the project. I have hosting and domain. How to connect VS Code? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I have no idea. Let's see. This plugin creates shortcuts with custom data fields. Edit this plugin to have XIZ styling and use Elementor dynamic tag hook to use. Yeah, that's what I needed. That's what I needed. Add the last PHP file. Okay, so hopefully my prompt was good enough. But, you know, I think it's because the Instagram field is not yet correctly formatted to, for example, a URL. Yeah, okay. Well, I hope it fixed it now. Okay, so should I add all these separate files now in the plugin folder? I think that's how it works, right? Wait, maybe I can just ask ChatGPT or Cursor. Sorry. Should I? Now also, or I see that you have multiple PHP files. Should I add them all to the folder, to the plugin folder? Yes, you should. Oh, okay. Why don't you write something like put it all in one file? Yeah, can we do that? Hey, you guys are smart. Generating. Oh. Yes, you need to put it inside a folder, create structure. Yeah, okay. But can you not just put it in one file, or will that crash the whole thing? Waiting for approval. Yes, I can combine everything in one single file for simplicity. It's actually a good suggestion for a smaller plugin like this. Let me merge the dynamic tag. Thank you, Cursor. It's doing it. It's doing it. Exactly what we wanted. Ask Cursor if they're all correctly linked. What do you mean? All correctly linked. Oh yeah. It's updating it all into one file. We want to keep things easy, okay? We're not developers. We're not trying to make things hard. We just want to keep it easy. It's updating the file now. Are you guys still here? It's almost been 2 hours. Oh my god. I think I should push the Trae one to the next stream, guys. I really want to do everything today, but it's already 10 p.m. here. I should sleep. I have meetings tomorrow to be somewhere. It's fun. I was a little bit nervous at the beginning of this stream, to be honest. I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work. And then in the beginning, I struggled with ChatGPT, but Cursor solved everything. Seriously. It's been such a good experience. And now, this is the last prompt I'm gonna try. Then I'm gonna answer a few more comments. Then I'm gonna close it off. Oh, it's now applying it. Wait, should we then? Oh, yeah, okay, it's doing it. Yeah, and then I wanna close it off. Where do you live? I live in Bali right now, so that's why it's already 10 p.m. here. In Europe, it's still in the afternoon. So yeah, for you guys it's fine, but not for me. So you're not leaving WordPress? I don't think so. This is way too much fun. Like, you cannot do this on other platforms, you know, like Webflow or Wix, or can you? Can you also write plugins there? I don't think I want to leave WordPress. Okay, I think it is done. Accept. Let's see what it said. It combined everything into a single file. Now you just only need the PHP. Great. Move the Elementor dynamic class tag into the main file. Yeah. Added a check for Elementor's existence. Simplified. Okay. Okay. To use the plugin, create a new file called new file. We already have it. That's the same file, right? Or am I crazy? All the company info, purple, website URL, Elementor integration. If Elementor is installed, this is much simpler to manage. Okay. Okay, let's try. We're gonna copy everything. We're gonna go back to Chrome. This is very, very exciting. An exciting time to be alive. Oh, we can see the previous version here of the plugin as well. Hey. And then my old plugin, hey, that I made with ChatGPT. So now we have, oh, these two are the same. We have all the versions. Okay. We're gonna open the code. We're gonna paste it all in here. Save and close. Oh, I'm nervous. Again. Okay, I'm gonna open it so we can see the final version. If this works, then I am really happy. Wait, what did I ask again? Oh yeah, I asked for the website URL or the field. Oh, it's turned it into website again, of course, because we made that Instagram change with the code ourselves. And for the Elementor integration. So now it still looks the same as the other one. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Let's try to open in the Elementor. So let's try, for example, to pull in our address with Elementor Pro. Oh my god, if this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Refresh. Will be so cool, because then we don't have to copy dynamic codes anymore. We can also do it. We can have shortcodes and have it in Elementor. It will be a pretty proper plugin. I think so. Come on, Elementor. Yeah, it's the same file. Okay. Let's see, guys. Elementor always gives us a little bit of time to wait, but that's fine. Elementor is becoming a lot faster soon. Well, this year, later this year, with Elementor v4. I've also tested that in a stream, by the way. Which hosting do you use? It seems so slow. I'm not using hosting, I'm using instead of WP. Which is kind of like a staging site. So it's not meant for speed, basically. It's just for staging. How much you cost live in Bali? Yeah, it's quite a lot. I spent quite a lot in Bali, but I also like to spend quite a bit. Like, I don't live cheap. It could be cheaper, but I'm spending more than I'm spending in Europe. And that's mainly because the house that I'm in is very, very nice. I like to go to co-working. I like to go eat in restaurants all the time. Yeah, we go out. I have a nice scooter. So yeah, then it adds up. It adds up. Okay. Let's try. So instead of using the shortcode, we're now just gonna do test text here, because it should pop up here if this works. Oh my god, so cool. Let's see. No, where is it? Maybe here? No. Okay, where is it coming? Where should it come from? What am I doing wrong? No, it didn't pop up here. What am I doing wrong, guys? Somebody have an answer? I'll just give you a heads up if it doesn't work. Okay, the reason you had multiple files, normally you have to expose the dynamic tags by putting a PHP file in the Elementor tags folder. Okay, so what do I do then now? Should I say Cursor that it doesn't work. And then make, yeah, and then just do it in those separate files. Can you give me some numbers on what I spent in Bali? Yeah, bro, it really depends. Like you can do it cheap, but I don't think that's a great life. I think you need at least $2,000 to have a little bit of a nice life here, and then you can spend more if you want to make it more luxurious. You know, I think I didn't understand what he wanted to do. I mean Cursor. Oh, you think Cursor didn't understand what I wanted? You think my prompt was not good enough? Yeah, maybe. Wait, hey, let's just give it a screenshot from Elementor. Hey, like here, like this. That, maybe that's smart. Wait, option. You give it this full screenshot like this. And then let's go back to Cursor and say like the Elementor integration didn't work. I couldn't select it. I couldn't find it within the selector of the dynamic content inside of the heading widget. What I want is just like ACF Pro or Jet Engine from CrocoBlock has, which is that I can select it from the pop-up window when you click on the dynamic icon. I have attached a screenshot from Elementor Pro. Okay, let's add that screenshot and now let's run it again. Yeah, one file for your plugin, one file goes into Elementor plugin folder. I did tell you that in the chat. Oh, did I not read well again? Is that the problem? We're having a connection error anyways. Added a check. Okay, wait. Do I also have to add something to the Elementor plugin folder for this to work, right? Because that's what you're saying, right? We're just asking Cursor. Let's see what it's read further up before your combined file request. Ah, okay. No, you don't need to add anything to the plugin folder. The issue is likely with how you were registering the dynamic tag. Looking at your screenshots and compare the ACM and see what we need to fix. Let's modify the Elementor integration code. Okay, so it says it's Cursor made the mistake where it showed you the file structure. Okay, I should read back as well. Keyframe creation says. So let's do that. Load older messages. Let me try one more approach. What? I don't know. Go far above. Oh, okay. You go far above. Oh, too far above. Guys. Where? Wait, we didn't start talking about that. Right? Purple. Oh yeah, okay, I'm going too far. It's a message before you combined the 3 files into one. Okay. Let's see what I prompted. UI look better now. I want to select. Yeah, okay, so this message. I will fix you with the website URL. Okay, let's add the Elementor support. Dynamic class file. I've made several improvements. Fix the URL. Okay, add Elementor. Yeah, created a new. Yeah. Available on both text URL. Okay. To use the plugin with Elementor. In Elementor Pro, click on any text. Yeah, click dynamic text. Yeah, look for company info. Under site group. Oh. This one you mean. Wait. Use for what? Wait. What did they say? Look for company info under site group. Company info. It's not here, right? Select the field you want to use. The data will be dynamically pulled in. Where? It doesn't show company info. Let's check the comments. What are you guys saying? It's finished. Try the new code. Yeah, okay, I will try the new code. Maybe Cursor just made a mistake. Okay? Maybe I am not wrong here. Edit means plug. Yeah, I think I did it right. It's just saying where I can find it in Elementor, and I don't see this. So we're gonna try to the new code, except copy everything. Is it still one file? Edited 3 files. Is it still one file? Maybe that's the problem. Company info options. Is it still one file? Oh, sorry. Switching to circle again. Okay. Is it still one file? I'm asking. Yeah, ask again where to place the PSP file. Yeah. Yes, it's still one file. Okay. No. I don't want to do. I don't want you to do anything. I'm just gonna copy and paste the code again into this one. Open it. Let me copy all of the code and let me paste it in here. Save and close. Then we're gonna refresh this page. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. Guys, what's happening? Uh-oh. That's not good. It's crashing the whole website. Have I copied it correct? Yeah, now we're messed up. I'm just gonna post it in here. I don't know what's happening. What is happening now? What is happening now? We are crashing the whole thing. Face purple crying. Yeah, we're crying right now. This is not good. Do reach the checkpoint and copy the. Oh, wait, but how do I copy? How do I get into the code editor now? If my WordPress is crashed. Uh-oh, this is a problem. Copy the negative code again. shit, we have a problem. How do I solve this? It doesn't do anything anymore on my website. And the cursor also doesn't do a lot. No in cursor. Yeah, okay, but we're copying and pasting the code. So disable plugin, then you get into WP. Oh yeah, you're right. But how do I disable the plugin? cPanel edit file. Oh wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, wait. We're gonna copy the code from here back to Chrome. We're now gonna go to my InstaWP. This is the website. Here, we can also just go it from here. Code editor. VS Code, web-based tool. Yeah. Right? You can also just edit this from here. So then we should grab the old code from Cursor and paste it in somewhere here, right? Welcome to, okay. How do we open this? Select the current file, rename. Okay, what is this? Open. Oh, here. No, it's the contents folder, and then plugins, and then this one, and then edit. No, not the name, the actual file. What the F? Can we not open it in here? Search in the current file. Cut, rename. Can I not just do something in here? Huh. Okay. Maybe next time you should use local WordPress development. Yeah, whatever. Double click. Okay, let me try double click one more time. Oh, yeah, you're right. It worked. Hey. Why does it not have right click open? You have to double click it. Come on. Okay, so now we should go back to Cursor. And oh, it actually did something. I've made several important fixes. Let me help you debug this error. Oh, this will likely occur because we need to check if Elementor exists before defining. Okay. Oh, it has made a fix, it says. So we're just gonna try to copy that new code. We can always go back to the old version, like you guys are saying. So let's just copy and then paste that code in here. Oh, you see a whole preview here on the right. That's cool. And then let's save this. Where's the save button in this tool? What the F? Is it saved now? Why is there no save button? Maybe it's already saved. Let's try to open our website again. Let's see if it reloads again. No, it doesn't. There's no save button. Am I correct? Oh, wait. It says in the beginning, Ctrl S. Hey, okay, let's try now. Yeah. We fixed it. This tool needs some work though. This needs a simple save button here at the top or at the bottom, and it needs right click open. Okay. I mean, not that these plugin developers are watching this stream right now, but you never know. You never know. But we fixed it. Right? Close tabs. Yeah. Okay, we fixed it. It was Ctrl S. It said it at the beginning in this very gray text. Oh, that was so bad. Here. What did it say? Remember at the beginning? When we opened this file manager? Here. I will show you. This is not good design. This is really bad. Here, code editor. Open it in this code editor. Oh, yeah, now it already shows something else. Wait, does it preview here? Okay, whatever. It said it there, but it was really grayed out. It was not good. Whatever. We fixed it. Let's try. If our plugin works again. Yes. Okay. And now we're gonna go into Elementor. This is the final, so we're gonna reload our editor. Whoa, this fixing this issue cost a lot of time. Come on, Elementor, please. It would be so cool if this works at the end of the stream. It would be so cool if this works now. Test text. Okay, we're gonna try to find company. Yeah, yay! Hey, look at that. It has showed up now. Let's click it. See what happens. No way. Hey, look at this. Hey. That is cool. Oh, but it doesn't have the advanced option where you can put a text before it. But hey, this is cool. Let's be honest. This is really cool. Yeah, we could just load in any fields. Look at that. Address. Now the Bali one should show. Yeah. Hey, this is cool. This is cool. I just made a plugin without coding skills. Yeah. Okay, let's show the final product, okay? You can now, you can just put in some info here into one of these fields, and you can load it in Elementor with this dynamic field if you have Elementor Pro. And so whenever you're trying to add, whether it's like a phone number or a social media link. Oh, we haven't tested that, the link. A name of your company, you can put it in with the dynamic tag. Well, we cannot do it like that because then it's going to crash, right? I think then it will take the whole text box if I do this. Pretty sure about that. Wait, where is it now? Here, company info. Yeah, well, it will pick up everything, but that's an Elementor issue. So then you have to use the shortcode, which is fine, but then it works. But for whole titles, for big titles, you can use that. Yeah, we should also add that feature that you can have before and after, but whatever, it works. We have dynamic content now. We have created an option page plugin. You cannot create your own fields yet, but it looks good. It looks a lot better than our ChatGPT version, our first one. Oh, that actually was not even this one. It was another one. Wait, let's compare it for reference. This is what ChatGPT pooped out. Refresh. Option page is free. Yeah, this is what ChatGPT pooped out. It worked. It had like a copy button. Oh, it also had this. That was also cool. Used on one page. You could see and how many places you've used it. Maybe we can also add that later. But this one looks a lot better. You can copy it, and we made it possible in Elementor Pro. I don't know about you guys. but I think this is really cool. What do you guys think? And I don't know if I can put this plugin already out there. I don't think it's good enough yet. But the fact that I made it work and it looks pretty okay in Elementor Pro is really cool. Right? Yeah. Just with Cursor. Imagine if I can put this plugin in the WordPress directory. That would be really cool. Yeah. I'm happy with this progress, guys. I don't know about you, but I am very happy. This was really cool. Took me some time, but we just made a very useful plugin. Maybe next time I will try to put it in the plugin directory. Okay. I'm gonna end it here. It's been, it's already 20 minutes past 10 p.m. for me, so I'm gonna sleep. This was cool. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you have any suggestions for new features in the future. And I would say thank you very much for watching. And I will see you in the next stream. I will try to stream once a week, okay? On a Wednesday, same time. I try to do that. And you can always hop in and the link will automatically convert into a rewatchable link, into the replay basically. Okay, that was it. I hope you guys are happy. I am. And then I'm gonna put on the music to end it here. And see you guys in the next one.